Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the user manual for your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker. So at first we need to, in the application, because it's easier, tap this gear icon in the top right corner and tap the user manual here. Of course you can search for the user manual manually by entering the web browser and searching for the model, which is the SOUNDCORE Select 2. Oh my goodness, it's not iPhone. TS user manual. This phrase and search. As you can see, the first link is the same document here. Wait a moment. It might take a while, don't worry. I do have slow internet connection. As you can see, it's the same document. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.